Now looking at exercise 12-6. Well, this is a sell or process further. So in a joint processing operation, the company manufactures 3 grades of sugar from a common input, sugar cane. Joint processing costs up to the split-off point total $80,000 per year. The company allocates these costs to the joint products on the basis of their total sales value at the split-off point. Those sales values are as follows: raw sugar 40,000, brown sugar 40,000, and white sugar 42,000. Each product may be sold at that split-off point, or it could be processed further. Additional processing requires no special facilities. The additional processing costs and the sales value after further processing for each product on an annual basis are shown below. So here's the additional cost per each item and then the sales value. So looking at this, which items are going to come into play in our decision? Joint processing costs up to the split-off point of $80,000. We don't include that in our decision-making process. That is incurred. It's not going to change. Either we sell it at the split-off point or we do further processing. The sales value, this is what they could have been sold for before further processing. Then we can do additional processing and we can sell it for a different amount. So we need to determine how much extra revenue are we going to get if we process further, and how much extra costs are we going to incur. So extra revenue, the sales value after it's been processed. For example, we'll use raw sugar. If they do further processing, you can sell it for $80,000. Before any further processing, just at the split-off point, it could be sold for $40,000. So $80,000 minus $40,000, you're going to receive another $40,000 in revenue if you go ahead and process it further. But how much are you going to spend to get to that point? You're going to spend $42,000. So if we look over here, if you process further, you can sell it for $80,000, or if you at the split-off point, you can sell it for $40,000. So you're getting an extra $40,000 in incremental revenue, but you're spending $42,000. So actually, you're spending more than what you're going to make if you process further. So you're not going to go ahead and do that one because you're going to lose $2,000. Brown sugar, you can sell it for $70,000 after further processing, or $40,000 at the split-off point. So again, you're going to get extra revenue of $30,000. It only costs $28,000 to do that further processing, so you're going to increase your revenue profits here by $2,000. So yes, you would go ahead with brown sugar. White sugar, after processing, you sell it for $82,000. Before processing, you sell it for $42,000. So that gives you an extra $40,000 in revenue. The cost is $12,000 to process further. So your increased profits then are $28,000. So definitely going to go ahead with white sugar. So you look at what are the extra revenues if you process further, and what are the extra costs if you process further.